Colored pencils are pencils that have a core of colored pigment and protective casing made of wood. Let's take a look at the recommendations. Number 1, most popular. Castle Art supplies 72 premium colored coloring pencils. There are plenty of colors, the pencils are of good quality, and the set is well priced. That's a winner in our book. The pencils have blending and layering qualities, as well as a soft touch finish, making them easier on the fingers over prolonged use. If 72 isn't enough colors for you, these also come in a set of 120 pencils. The colors are well labeled and clearly marked, making it easy to select the shade you want, and the pencils lay down smooth and creamy colors. Number 2. Prismacolor Premier Colored Pencils. For an artist-grade wax-colored pencil, we recommend the Prismacolor Premier Colored Pencils. These are great for beginners. It layers incredibly soft and smooth. The colors weave together with ease, creating a rich combination of value and tone. These pencils feel great to hold, having none of the dryness you might experience with a lesser brand. Beautiful pigmentation which blends in with ease. Not to forget the amazing variety of colors and hues to choose from. Soft, thick cores are perfect for shading and shadows. Number 3. Derwent Colored Pencils. Derwent Inktense pencils are perfect for illustrators, designers, and students. The round, 4mm soft lead core allows for a quick laydown of smooth color, producing a vibrant finish for bold and expressive drawings. The water-soluble pigments can be used for expressive drawings, or mixed with water to create a bright, yet translucent ink-like effect. It is perfect for color layering. Plus, as the colors dry permanently, they are great on fabrics, such as silk or cotton. They can also easily be used on paper. Number 4. Prang Thick Core Colored Pencils. With a delicate, rich 3.3mm core guarded by real wood, you will experience an unmatched smoothness in the laydown. While the intense pigment will bring your ideas and dreams to life in vivid colors easier to mix, so you can create unique shades that reflect your ambitions. They are conveniently pre-sharpened, so they are ready to use right out of the box. It is AP certified non-toxic. They are also not toxic, which means they are safe for kids. They aren't as easy to layer nor blend, but they offer good value for a price that's practically a steal. Number 5. Faber-Castell 120148 Coloring Pencils. With Prang colored pencils, you'll have multiple colors to choose from and a core that's not too soft and not too hard. They are also not toxic, which means they are safe for kids. They aren't as easy to layer nor blend, but they offer good value for a price that's practically a steal. Faber-Castell's Eco pencils are made from 100% reforested wood. This pack of 48 vibrant coloring pencils are silky smooth and ensure a brilliant color laydown. The SV bonded lead prevents breakage, and the hexagonal shape provides added comfort when drawing.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.